Hello, everyone. Welcome to Demo Day of batches 1348, 1349 of Wagon, Lisbon. My name is Chiara, for the ones who don't know me. I'm the marketing and events manager here at Wagon, Lisbon. And as usual, I'm very, very happy to be opening this event. Very special event, very important event. Demo Day. Demo Day is supposed to be the day in which we see a presentation of prototypes, of apps, of your projects. But it's not only that. I think Demo Day is, first of all, a day of celebration of your achievements up to now, and a day also to celebrate what's coming in the future for you, hopefully in tech. I'm sure it will. So it's a very, very important day at the end of our bootcamp. But maybe I'll take a step back. I see some new faces around here, so I'll just give a bit of context of where we are, what we do. So Wagon. Wagon is a coding school, was born as a coding school, but we consider ourselves as a tech school overall. We offer courses in web development, like this case of one of the batches, data science, data analytics, and then other offers in no code, marketing automation, and so on. But overall, what we try to do is to unlock people's potential through technology. We have people who join us because they want to change their career radically. We have people who just want to add a bit of knowledge on top of what they already know. We have people who want to launch their own business. But I think that no matter the reason why they're here, we're very, very proud of all of them. And yeah, maybe one last thing before I pass on the mic to Margarida is to say that these projects were built in the last 2 weeks of the bootcamp. So basically in 8-9 days. So it's pretty amazing to see what you guys were managed to achieve along 9 weeks of the bootcamp. We'll see projects about watering plants, elderly care, but I won't spoiler too much. That's a bit of a special demo day. In the web development batch, we have 5 people who were scholars of a program supported by the municipality of Lisbon. It's called Step by Tech. It's a project that was very close to my heart. We helped from 500 then until the final phase of 5 people to take the first steps into the world of technology. And I would like to thank the municipality of Lisbon for this opportunity and maybe invite Margarida just to share a few words.
Thank you very much, and congratulations to you all. It's amazing path, and it's very important for you and for the city of Lisbon. I'm the responsible for the area of economy and the innovation in the city council. So a quick words. I'm just reading a bit for not forget anybody. So, like I said, we are very proud of the path of our amazing students from all the boot camps and the bootcamp of Step by Tech. It's been quite a journey, and I wouldn't have been possible without a fantastic collaboration from the Wagon, Chiara and Pedro and all the team, and our amazing students and graduates, and our municipality team, Teresa, a Fátima, e a Isabel. And so thank you very much. And together we have gone an exciting adventure that has only made us more committed to the shaping the future of work here in Lisbon. So a good luck for you all, and please work with us and work here in Lisbon with Wagon. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Margarida. Let's go. Let's start. So we're starting with data analytics with Afonso introducing the project.
Thank you so much, Chiara. Once again, welcome everyone. Welcome new faces, old returning faces, future students, and everyone else. Today, data analytics wise, we have one project only. We had a very small batch, and I would like to introduce Vincent. Vincent, welcome to the stage. And Vincent will talk to you about home exchange.
Hi everyone, also welcome from my side. My name is Vincent. I was participating in the data analytics bootcamp, and me and my team, we were looking at home exchange. So first of all, what is home exchange? Home exchange is similar to Airbnb. So how does it work? Like where homeowners can share their home with other ones, like as you can book homes in Airbnb. So how does it work? You sign up for free. You go to through the verification process, introduce yourself to the community, and then you pay a tuition fee of $220 annually. And then you can book as many exchanges as you want during that year. We were specifically looking at the churn rate. So first of all, what is the churn rate? The churn rate is the number of customers who leave during that year the company and don't renew their membership. So it's in a very high interest of the company that, of course, they retain as many customers as possible. Otherwise, they're losing money. To analyze that, Home Exchange gave us a data set of around about 30 million rows. And after cleaning and analyzing the data, we saw this Home Exchange is facing a big problem, because actually, if you look on the green bar, that's the ones who are the new customers. So if you look at the 3 years, you see that they're always having less new customers than people who are actually churning, which is on the gray bar. So the net new customers is negative. So actually that means that every year they're losing customers, which is money losing. To put that more in relative numbers, we see that 40% of the customer base is churning every year, and only 30% are coming new. So we have a net of minus 10% of the customer base, which is way too high, because at some point the company may not make any money anymore. But there's an upside. If the company is able to decrease their churn rate from 40% to 20%, they're already increasing their customer base by 10%. So we were wondering, okay, which variables are driving these are driving the churn rate? And we did a lot of analysis testing and correlations, and we figured 4 variables out which have a significant effect on the churn rate. So first of all, the amount of nights stayed. The second one is the exchange type. So there are 2 exchange types. The one is exactly like Airbnb, where you just book a place, and the other one is reciprocal. So if you book a place, you can also give that person your place. The second one is the third one is the geographic location, so where your home is based. And the fourth one is the number of cancellations. So if you do a booking, how many times does a person cancel on you? Now let's have a deeper look into each variable. We can see that the higher the number of nights stayed is, the more likely are the people to renew their membership, which is a really good sign. But in the other way around, if you have a very low number of nights stayed, then you're more likely to churn. So there are 2 suggestions we have to improve that. The first one is to introduce a loyalty program and rewards for customers who are staying there for many nights. And the second one would be to just enhance the usability of the website, for example, to make it more enjoyable to browse through the website. The more reciprocal exchanges, the better. So if you give your home and also take one home, you're far more likely to renew your membership. So we would suggest to improve the algorithm, the matching algorithm, so more people are connected who want to do reciprocal exchanges. And the home exchange could also invest in more trust-building measures. For example, do a more complicated, or not complicated, but a more in-depth verification process. So you know, okay, I give that person my house, I know exactly this person is reliable, I can trust him. And the other way around, if I go to that place, I know it's clean, everything works. That would be a suggestion of ours. Then if we look at the geography, we can see that it depends where you're living or where your house is. For example, if you're in Europe, you're way more likely to churn than when you're in America. For that, we suggest that they do a more tailorized marketing to the specific countries, and also adjust the prices concerning where you are, because of course the buying power varies over the globe. We could also introduce local partnerships with businesses and tourist organizations, just to enhance the general feeling of the program. For the last variables, I think that goes very hand in hand with the first one, because if many people cancel on you, you don't actually use your membership, because nobody, like, you can't go to the place because you're canceled, nobody can come to your place because you canceled, and if you don't use it, of course you churn. So what can we do? We could review the cancellation reasons. If they're not valid, we could say, okay, it's not possible anymore, or only against a fee, a penalty. And we could also introduce an insurance or guarantees to the ones to the customers who got canceled on. The last one, the last suggestion, I think that's pretty straightforward. I think it's very common in the internet to have a rating and review system. So if you have only 1 star, you're less likely to get a home, and of course the chance you're getting canceled on by that person is way higher. But on the other side, if you get like a 5-star rating, you're more likely to be chosen. So, do you want to churn? I will find you and I will retain you. No, all jokes aside, I think, or we think as a group, if Home Exchange implements some of our suggestions, there's a high chance that this will be a thriving company, and the churn rate hopefully will decrease and the customer base will increase. So thank you very much for your attention, and I wish you a lot of fun with the upcoming presentation.
Thank you, Vincent, and Data Analytics Batch. Good work. So hi, everyone. For the ones that don't know me, I'm Miguel Figueiredo. I'm the batch manager of web development, and I'm very proud to present I'm very proud to present 3 projects that our students have been doing. Before we go to the presentation of the projects, I really want to congratulate you because it's super amazing to see students that are really focused, that work super well in teams, which is really rare to find. So congratulations, really. So for the first project, we have TwoCare. Where is? Yeah, TwoCare, yes.
Aqui. So last weekend, when I visit my mother in the nursing home, she doesn't seem to feel very well. So I'm kind of concerned about her. I guess I'm calling there just to check on her.
Hello, this is Flavio from Wagon's elderly home for retired developers. How can I help you?
Hi, Fabio. My name is Pedro. I'm Margarida's son, who's a resident there. my mother, the last visit I went there, she doesn't seem very well. So I would like to check on her. By the way, do you have some kind of way so I can get some regular information about her
Yeah,
without
yeah.
calling you all the time?
Yeah, of course. We are now using a new app called To Care,
Oh, great.
and we are sending reports daily. Aren't you receiving any?
No.
No? Okay,
No.
okay. So maybe I'll put you on freehand mode because I'll need to do some
Oh,
things.
okay.
And everyone will hear you now, so be careful.
Thank you.
So I'll see if we have your contact on our app. We have 28 residents. Maybe your mother is one of them. And we
Hope so.
didn't send reports yet, but let me see if we can find her. Let me see. It's 28, it's a lot of residents. What was her name again?
Margarida
Margarida.
Almeida.
Maybe I'll just search for her. Margarida. Margarida. So we have two Margaridas. Is she a bit deaf?
Oh, she's very deaf. Yes. Very.
So Margarida Almeida. Yeah?
Yes, Margarida
Margarida
Almeida.
Almeida. So
Yes.
we have her info. Margarida Almeida. Let me see. Reports. Yeah, we are sending reports. And you're...
I'm not getting any.
Okay. So I'll see the contacts. Maybe you're not in there. So we have Laura, Sarah,
Oh, yes, those are my two evil sisters.
and yeah, and Pedro shouldn't be here. I'll add you now because you're Pedro. Or not, I'll add you again.
Pedro Agostinho.
Pedro Agostinho?
Agostinho.
Pedro Agostinho. So maybe I'll just pass for the next part because you're already here. So everything is good. Pedro is in here. And that's your email, pedroagostinho@levagon.org.
Yes,
Yeah?
that's the one. Yes.
Let's see,
Keep
let's
going.
see. His son, her son, pedroagostinho@levagon.org. That's it. So maybe at the end of the day, you'll receive an email with the
Okay.
report. So don't worry, we'll take care of it.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. Okay, talk to you later. Bye-bye. Ciao.
Thank you, bye. So I'll do the report right now. So Pedro receives it, create the report. So Margarida, she's a bit deaf. Margarida, Margarida, did you sleep well yesterday? You did. Good. And did you eat everything? I don't know, I'm not sure. Yeah, okay. You did? Humor, medium. Activities, what did you do? Nothing. Played games. Lazy. Blood pressure, I think it was good. And then medication. Did you take our medication? All of it? All of it, Margarida, please. Margarida, I'm seeing you. Margarida. You took, okay. All of it. All of it. Hygiene, you took a bath? Good. And now I'll see if all the answers are here. So sleep, eat, humor, activities, lazy, of course, blood pressure, no information. So maybe I'll send the report, and maybe I think Pedro will have the report right now.
Oh, it's already 7 p.m. It's the day it's ending. So let me check. Oh, I have an email on my inbox. So, that's the email Flavie said he will send. That's nice. Let's check the report. Oh, it's really good. So, okay, I know she slept well. Humor, okay. Played games, lazy. That's my mother. Totally. Okay, that's a really good report. So I feel a bit more relieved now because I know now how to get information about her regularly. I really like the service from Wagon Elderly House for retired developers. It really pays the fortune. I pay them monthly.
So that's it, guys. Thank you, everyone. Our team was me, Flávio, António, Elidiane. Thank you.
Thank you. Super presentation. And we have, and the old lady, of course, Margarida. So we have two more presentations that I want to show you. And next we have FitSeek. FitSeek. Voila. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Nuno, welcome back to London. How was your flight?
Hello, Maria. Nice to see you again.
Good to
My
see you
flight
too.
was really nice, but you know what? I've been really sitting for a long time, and I really like to do some exercises like rock climbing or something like that.
Sure.
Can you help me with that?
Yeah, I don't really know about any rock climbing centers nearby, but we can just use FitSeek.
Fitzy. What's Fitzy?
You haven't heard of FitSeek?
Not really.
Kenneth, you know about FitSeek? Oh, yes. Yeah. Last year in London, the best app just launched, and it's called FitSeek. It basically helps you find all of the workouts nearby based on your personal preferences and your location.
Okay, you got me. Can you show me more, please?
Of course, no problem. So I think I'm already logged in. Let's get started. So basically, when you go into the app, you are greeted with this little categories page that basically allows you to filter by whatever category you feel like. So I guess in this case, you said you wanted rock climbing?
Rock climbing, yes,
Sure
please.
thing. Well, I'm not really sure what section that fits into. So why don't we just go ahead and search it? There we go. So it's super easy to use. You basically just go into it, and here we go. All of the details on rock climbing, the time of the class, a little bio on the class, like a description, and the price.
Okay. Can I see about the instructor? Is there any information
can.
about the instructor?
I think so. Ah, Miguel. I heard he's a
Oh,
really good rock
Miguel.
climber.
Okay.
So
Okay.
here you basically see all of the information about what they like to do. Nice to have a little bit of a personalized touch to it, I guess. What their accomplishments are, their years of experience. Seems he enjoys a bottle of wine on a rooftop.
Okay, 10 years of experience. That's okay.
Sure thing.
That's all right.
I know, pretty cool. What do you think? You're interested?
Yes,
Rock climbing?
but you know what? Lately, I've been feeling some back pains,
Sure.
so I don't think I'm in form to do the rock climbing. Do you
Yeah,
have
it might
something
be a bit
more
bad.
light for me?
Maybe like a yoga class or
Yeah,
like a
I have never
yeah.
tried yoga, so I think it'll be nice.
I'm sure there are tons nearby. Let's have a
Okay,
look.
please.
Of course. So actually, I forgot to mention, but the app is personalized to all of my preferences. And as you know, I love yoga. So actually, when you
that sounds
scroll
great.
through all the workouts, it's personalized to show me all of my favorite workouts at the top, which is super useful. But I went to a class a little while back called Mobility for Bad Backs. That might be good for you.
Yeah, that sounds great.
Yeah, cool.
Sounds great. Yes.
Let's have a little look. 1 p.m. Does the location work for you?
Yes. Yeah. It's
Yeah.
near our room, right? Our
I think
house.
so. We can just use Waze actually.
Oh,
and,
no way.
It should tell us. Yeah, I think it's pretty close.
I use Waze a lot.
Yeah, it's super useful, right?
It is.
Yeah. Just calculating for a second. Oh, Looks like it's a little. Yep, 21 hours. I think that's pretty close by.
It is. It is.
Yeah, let's
it's pretty
go.
good. Yeah, it is pretty good.
Amazing. So when did you want to book it in for?
I think tomorrow at 3 p.m. Tomorrow. Yeah.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. Please.
Book now. Oh no, looks like I don't have enough FitSeek dollars. I'm bankrupt.
$6. What you talking about?
FitSeek dollars. Oh, of course, you wouldn't have heard of FitSeek dollars. Well, I'm glad you brought it up because it's actually a really cool function of the app. And basically, if you click up on the top, the little like button thingy at the top, it shows you all of the information about FitSeek dollars. Basically, it's how you use the app. So you don't use your money, you put your card details in, and it offers you a rate of exchange, and you use FitSeek dollars on the app. So it's super useful.
That sounds great.
But
Is
you know what?
there?
I think I've actually booked in a class that I don't want to go to, so we can book your class in.
Oh.
Yeah. Let's just go ahead.
Okay.
What was it? Mobility?
Mobility.
Yeah,
Yes.
backpack
Please.
course
Yes,
tomorrow?
Please. Yes, please. Tomorrow. Yeah. That sounds great.
Cool. So
Oh.
booked it in for you. This
Interesting.
very useful little page shows you your upcoming classes, your past classes, and it lets me know how many FitSeek dollars I've got left.
Is there any way for me to have $50 as well?
So the app is, again, super useful. When you book in a class, they offer you 10 FitSeek dollars as a little reward. And also, when you go into your profile page, I can actually refer you if you're interested in the app, seeing as it's super useful. And
Okay.
you can earn 10 FitSeek dollars through that too.
All right.
So you
that
can do that.
sounds great.
And you can go through here and just like edit your details if you need to. Oh, you can go back into there, check out the classes, but obviously there are so many ways to check out your classes too. Have a look at the instructors actually, so you can go through and have a look at them there.
I want one with a lot of experience, you know.
Sure, yeah, you can filter through that yourself.
All right, that's great.
But yeah, what do you think? You're
I'm
interested?
convinced. Yeah, you got me. Well, I'm gonna create an account and I'm gonna refer your friends as well. Thank you very much, Mario. It
No
was a pleasure.
worries. Enjoy your class. Good luck
Thank
with
you.
your back.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Another beautiful project. Yes, of course. Let's congratulate the team. Thank you, guys. So now, last but not least, of course, never least. So we have a beautiful project, another beautiful project called Water Me. Water Me. See. Beautiful Water Me plant.
What?
Margarida, what's this?
This is my plant.
Your plant or the rest of your plant?
Yeah, what is left of it?
I think I have a solution for you. Have you heard about wormy?
No.
Do you want to know more about it?
Yeah.
Of course she wants. She wants to know more about wormy because wormy is what will help you to probably not this plant to be better, but other plants you have other plants?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, to make your other plants to be alive. So Water Me is the first app that will help you never forget again when to water your plants and take care of your plants. So let's create an account for you.
Yes.
Of course. So Water Me first helps you to organize all your environment. You have your room, you have your house, and you have a lot of rooms with some plants. So you can add your rooms. Then in your rooms, you can add your plants. And when you add your plants to your rooms, you learn how to take care of your plants properly. So it doesn't end like this. Okay? So let's go. Margarida creates her account. And Margarida, would you say that do you have any other plant that it's not that yet?
Yes, I do. I have this one. This is a little bit better.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful. So where is your plant now?
This bed right now is in my bedroom.
So probably we add your bedroom
Yeah.
first, right? So let's add it. So what's the name of your bedroom?
Just call it my bedroom.
Your bedroom, okay. Could be original, but that's okay. My bedroom. So we select the bedroom, and then your bedroom has tons of lights. It's shade because that's important to take care of your plant.
It gets a little bit of sun.
Okay, so part sun,
Yeah.
part shade.
No, I will say part sun.
Part sun. Okay, so part sun is this, and then we create your bedroom, and probably we should add your plant now, right?
Yep.
So let add your plant. Which one is your plant here?
I'm quite sure it's that one.
This one, right?
Yep.
Of course,
Yes,
it's
of
the
course
same.
it is.
So yeah, so you came here and you can see that your plant should be watered 7 times per week, and you should have it in a full sun room. Okay, and more and tons of information so you can take care of your plant properly. So let's add it to your room. You have here, you can,
Well, okay, so this plant needs to be in full sun, but your division is part sun. Okay.
Here is where water me comes, because with water me, you can learn how to take care of your plants, right? So here, you can see that your bedroom is part shade, it's part sun. So you should have your plant in a full sun.
Okay.
That's why this ends like this, you know? So yeah. Let's go. Then, when was the last day you were plant?
I'm quite sure it was on Sunday.
Okay, so create. Let's add the plant.
Okay. This is really nice. I have my bedroom, I have my plant, but this doesn't help. How do I know how to take care of it? I just know it needs to be watered 7 days a week, but what more?
With water me, that you never will forget when to water your plants again, right? So you see this here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, with water me, we will send you notifications to when to water your plant. So doesn't that add that? So you can go here, and you can see that you have here when to water your plant. And probably if you water it like Sunday, it's Friday.
Yeah. I need to water it, right?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, so,
right?
So okay, let me water it.
So you water your plant, and then
Okay, so it's done.
you can keep track of when you water your plant,
Nice.
right?
Okay, and another question.
Yeah.
We saw this plant here, and I can see there. But what if I don't know the name of my plant?
With water me, that's not a problem, of course, because with water me, you don't need to know what's the name of your plant. You can take a picture, and water me will recognize what's your plant, and then add it to your room that you wish. So you can go here.
Okay.
Do you have a picture of
Yeah,
your
I
plant?
do.
Okay, so we can go there, and you have.
Yeah, it's
that's
this
your
one.
plant?
Yeah, this
Okay.
one.
Okay, so let's add it and search for it. Hope not break.
No.
Oh,
It's here.
Okay, yeah, it's the same picture,
Yeah,
right?
it's the same.
Yeah, so yeah, we can see if that's your plant.
Yes.
Let's add it. So now you can see only with the picture of your plant what's the name, when you need to water your plant, where do you need to store your plant in a full sun, part shade, part sun, where do you need to have it, and take care of your plant. So at the plant, it's in the same room.
Yeah.
Margarita,
it
you can
shouldn't,
see
but
here.
yeah.
That's not okay. So yeah, okay. When was the last?
It was watered at the same time. So
Okay.
Sunday.
Sunday. So this is wormy. the first app that will help you to never forget when to water your plants.
Thank you very much.